flashlight, your torchlight, your clappers, and for this group of people, I think you have phones, right? Let's turn on our torchlights, ladies and gentlemen.
是。Oh, sorry. Okay. Can we lower the? Okay, not lower your hands. Don't lower your hands. Everybody hands up, up. Yes. Lower the hands. We need another 10 more seconds. Can you take 20 seconds, please?
What?
For today's event to happen, right, there's a group of volunteers that are put together wholeheartedly. Some of them came back from holiday, some of them cut short their holiday just to organize this event. Can we have a cheer of encouragement to all our volunteers, please? So we will get another group of people that actually
What is the bullet style?
Because we are thanking everybody by the sponsors, the volunteers, so they need to hear us.
Yes.
So I will say good and you say lay. Okay, this is the good lay sound. Yes, the next time is sound.
Alright. I think it only works for bullet, you know.
Yeah, of course, for good lay sound.
Yeah, I don't talk about other
Okay,
people.
so good lay residents, I am going to say good and you're going to say lay as fast as possible. Can we do that? Yes, let's try. Good. Lay. Good. Lay. Good. Lay. Wait your papers. I think we are ready for 2025.
I think we are ready now. I'm going to teach everybody how to say Happy New Year in the 4 languages, okay? So this is a very racially harmonious moment.
That's
Even
right.
if you do not know how to greet your friends in other languages, just remember, for every occasion, you can say this because we have Happy New Year, Chinese New Year, all of those things. So this will come in very handy regardless of the event. Alright. 我想祝大家新年快乐 ，OK? Happy New Year, OK? I'll say 新年 you say 快乐。新年快乐。新年快乐。Okay, the next one is in Malay. I think I haven't give you this yet, huh? Selamat Tahun Baru. I'll say selamat, you say Tahun Baru, okay?
Berapa tahun? Tahun baru.
Tahun Baru.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Selamat. Selamat. Yeah, the next one will be a bit challenging, but we can get there. We have like 4 minutes.
Yes, we will get there. We are good lay.
I think you haven't done the demo one, right?
I want to revise it.
I think Minister, you know Minister? Minister, you want to see what it is in Tamil?
Yes.
I will. Fantastic! Alright! 1, 2, 3. Putandit!
Wonderful!
Okay? Putandit!
Wonderful!
Alright, so the fun thing about Malay demo is that all you have to do is end the event in front. For example, for Malay, Chinese New Year, Selamat Tahun Baru. You know, like that.
I see. Okay.
So it's very, very good.
We are actually 3 minutes more, just 3 minutes away from 2025. Maybe we can get all of you to station behind and see very big stand over here.
August got his spot as well. Fantastic. Alright.
Okay, and right now I think it is time to invite all the volunteers up on stage as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome all our grassroots organizers, every single person here put in so much effort, made so much sacrifice to make this event possible. Are you guys having fun tonight? And because of all of them, let's welcome them on stage. But they actually, decided to cut short their holidays, make a lot of personal sacrifice
That is right.
to make this possible.
But you know, right, guys, I would also cut short my holiday for a breathtaking view like this.
Definitely.
That is good day as one, our heart as one. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for our volunteers.
Is the event இவங்கெல்லாம் எல்லாத்தையும் இந்த இவெண்ட் நடந்திருக்காது. தயவு செய்து அவங்களுக்கு கை தட்டல் கொடுங்க. ஏதாவது சொல்லணும்னா அங்கிருந்து கத்துங்க, நம்மளுக்கு கேட்கும். ரொம்ப பேர் இருக்காங்க. It really takes a village, Sisi. It really takes a village.
It is. You see them streaming in. Oh my goodness, look at all of them. From all ages, from everywhere. Well, all of you can come to the center of the stage as well. Don't be shy.
Hey, Sisi, we are 2 minutes in. 2 minutes.
That's right. We are 2 minutes away. I am actually very excited and a little bit nervous as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know you want to take down this breathtaking moment, but at the same time, you don't know how beautiful it is to look at all your flashlights being pulled out up in the air. Okay, beautiful.
Olay is beautiful, definitely.
Can we have that fight once again? Everybody, flashlight and flashlight out!
World Flu Worksheet. Remember, the year is 2025. Alright?
That's right. And also remember, in year 2025, 1st of January, when the clock strikes 12, I am the face you see. Thank you very much.
I think that is a very great face to see for 2025.
Hey, it's very hot one, okay?
Very hot, very hot. Very good 2024. It is okay. It's a brand new year. Let's reset, refresh, and restart.
Yes, and I hope that if you are looking for love, looking for career, looking for anything, you can try and those people who are at home, under the table eating stale grapes when the clock strikes 12. You know about this thing?
I don't know.
If you're looking for love, they say when the clock strikes 12, you have to eat 12 grapes in 1 minute.
I don't think I need that at the moment, but thank you very much.
Yes, you don't need that, but my dear assistant was doing that when you're on under that table. It was really cute. Anyway, good day, you have been great. We really enjoy ourselves. I hope you enjoy yourself as much as we